Last night, I woke up about 2 in the morning when I heard a car door close. Two men with assault rifles were walking through the woods. I don't think they were there because of me. They just happened to be walking by, go to the bathroom or something, and I didn't have the rain fly in my tent. I can look straight out through the screen, see these men standing there with guns. It was kind of unnerving. They came over one at a time. The first man comes over, he looks at me. I hold up my hands and I say, "No Francais, no French." And he's just like, "Francais, good." And he walks away. The second guy comes over, the same banter, "No Francais, Francais, good, good." And then they both left. So, wasn't really a problem, but it scared the hell out of me. Hello, camel. So the military just drove by in a couple trucks, and there's a plane overhead, and I'm hearing explosions off in the background. I know it's just training, but it's pretty intense. Let's see if you can pick this up. Yeah, those aren't guns. That's a big explosion. It's really deep. It's shaking the ground actually beneath me. So I don't know if it's mortars or what, but it's kind of cool, huh? Proper downhill. The desert out here is just unbelievable. Finally the wind has stopped, but I look around, it's just flat sand, a little bit of scrub brush, and some acacia trees. That's about all that can live out here. It's just so desolate, so dry. There's the mirage effect. Never actually seen that before. It actually does look like water. Well, I'm not happy. I have Cliff Bar. I have a lot of these. They were in storage in my house in Ethiopia for a couple months. I open it up, and something has eaten about half of it. I really hope that they haven't eaten all of it. I didn't expect this. This is bad news for me. I'm in the town of Ali Sabia, Djibouti. It is about 10 kilometers from the Ethiopian border. I was cycling through town, and a man pulls up in his truck next to me and hands me a bottle of water out the window. He asks me where I'm going. I tell him I'm going to the Ethiopia border, but I can't quite find the road. I don't know my way around. So he says, "Follow me." He's driving his truck very slowly so that I can keep up, and shows me the road. And then he says, by the time you get there, there's not going to be any hotels. Why don't you just come stay at my house? So I spent the night at his house. He cooked me dinner, and he's got satellite TV, and I'm charging all my electronics. I had a shower, and I just feel like a human again. And it was a great turn of events, so I'm pretty happy about that. So we're going to have breakfast tomorrow, and then I'm going to hit the road, and hopefully I'll make it to the Ethiopia border by about 7:30 in the morning. Just up ahead is the border for Ethiopia. That means my time in Djibouti is up. It's a shame, I really actually like this place. It's a lot friendlier and a lot more interesting than I thought it would be. They're not gonna let me film as I go through the border crossing no man's land, but I'll catch you on the other side in Ethiopia.